Unleash your imagination and transform your creative vision into breathtaking reality with Leonardo AI. Welcome to your comprehensive guide to mastering Leonardo AI, the revolutionary platform that puts the power of cutting-edge artificial intelligence art generation at your fingertips. At its core, Leonardo AI excels at translating your ideas into stunning visuals. Start by crafting descriptive text prompts. The more detail you provide, the more precisely Leonardo AI can interpret your intent. Think about the subject, the style, the mood, and even the colors you envision. Leonardo AI isn't just about prompts. It's about choosing the right artistic engine. Explore the diverse range of pre-trained models, each with its unique aesthetic and capabilities. Want photorealistic results? Try Absolute Reality, dreaming of fantastical illustrations. Dream Shaper might be your answer. Experiment to find the perfect model for your project. Beyond the basic prompt and model selection, Leonardo AI offers powerful customization. The guidance scale allows you to control how closely the AI adheres to your prompt. Play with it to achieve more abstract or literal interpretations. And don't forget the negative prompt. Tell Leonardo AI what you don't want to see, like removing blurry elements or unwanted objects. With a few simple steps, you can generate an array of incredible images, from character designs and concept art to digital paintings and marketing visuals. The possibilities are truly limitless. This platform empowers both beginners and seasoned artists to push creative boundaries. Dive in, experiment, and unlock your creative potential with Leonardo AI. The future of art is here, and it's waiting for you to shape it.